Did you know it's easier to master AI than traditional marketing? I know it sounds crazy. Here's why traditional marketing takes years to master. You need to understand consumer psychology, market research, campaign planning, and dozens of other skills. But with AI, you can skip most of that learning curve. Let me show you something wild. I recently tested this with a group of marketing professionals over 40. Half learned traditional marketing methods. The other half used AI tools. Here's what happened. The AI group created their first successful campaign in just 2 weeks. The traditional group, still struggling after 3 months. But here's the craziest part. The AI group's campaigns actually performed better. They saw 47% higher engagement rates and 3 times more conversions. Why? Because AI analyzed millions of successful campaigns and applied those insights instantly. Think about it. Instead of spending years learning by trial and error, you're leveraging decades of marketing data in seconds. And the best part? You don't need to be tech savvy at all. One of our students, Mike, was a 52-year-old sales manager who could barely use Excel within 30 days. He was running sophisticated AI-powered campaigns that outperformed his company's marketing team. The question isn't whether AI will replace traditional marketing skills. It's whether you'll be ahead of this revolution or trying to catch up. This isn't about replacing marketers. It's about enhancing your ability to solve problems faster. And with AI, you can do that starting today.